Eventually, we had our tickets. And then Richard announced that he was hungry.
I don't like any of that. I won't like those. Certainly won't like that.
That is just a fish, lightly killed, and then put in a bag. And the marvellous thing is that Richard Hammond won't be able to enjoy any of this because he won't eat anything unless it's come from a burger van on the A38. I don't like cheese, it's full of bacteria, and I don't like fish.
Mate, it's all fish.
Yeah, it's good for you.
I don't like fish.
Well, you've come to the wrong country.
Speed camera.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Is it supposed to look like that?
Yeah, look, they call it the duck-billed platypus.
Well, they're not joking, are they?
And that is 11:32 on the dot. Hello, Jezza. We've just boarded the bullet train in Kyoto.
I still had all of Japan to cross in a car which is limited by Japanese law to 112 miles an hour. They, meanwhile, were now steaming towards Tokyo at 200 miles an hour.
Look how clever his Datsun is. We're going faster.
God. The average delay on the Tokaido Shinkansen 2 years ago, that's the one we're on, 6 seconds.
6 seconds?
They're electric, obviously, the trains, but they actually have a motor in every single carriage rather than just power cars to keep the weight distribution even, because that reduces wear on the rails. Okay, there are 3 names of bullet trains.
I think that's enough facts now.
Okay, Plemium.
Premium, okay.
Plemium.
Full.
All the way up.
Full.
And all as quickly as possible.
Okay. Okay.
I have seen X Factor winners less cheerful than all petrol pump attendants are in Japan. Look at this. How frightening is that? He can spot your beaver from about a mile away.
Good grief.
Show the viewers.
Well, look, that's where we got on, Kyoto. And we've been on for what? Well, minutes, and we're there, and we're going on to West Tokyo, there. So we've gone there to there in no time at all.
While the girl gave my GTR a 1,000-smile service, I went to buy some more dead fish.
HIV陽性。
HIV what?